thunderstorm warning for southern Barrow County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Walton County in north-central Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Nicholasville, or near Monroe, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winder, Monroe, Bethlehem, Between, Gratis, Bold Springs, Nicholasville, and Campton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.